Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about something called a Google Business Profile. And what exactly is Google Business Profile? It's a service, a free service in fact, by Google, where you're actually given the opportunity now to showcase your business to a large pool of customers online. And this is actually a tool that so many business owners, especially in Kenya, that should actually utilize, because right now how business is moving around in the world, business is moving from offline to online. Okay, so one of the ways you can actually digitize your business and get to take advantage of the online market is to actually create a Google Business Profile for your business. Okay, and that is what we're actually going to talk about in today's videos. For those who are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos like this. My name is Keegan, and I normally do vlogs about things to do with branding, digital marketing, and websites. And I'm personally a graphic web designer and marketing expert. Now let's get to it. So now that you know something to do with what I've actually told you about Google Business Profile, I wanted to actually start with an example of so that you can get a picture of what it really is. Now, have you ever found yourself in a situation where most of the time you want to maybe go to you're looking for a hotel somewhere, and you search on Google, okay, and then something just comes up, and it shows a card with reviews and here and there, and that's what we're actually going to do right now. So right now I want us to focus on one specific restaurant, so that I can actually show you what Google Business Profile is. Now, there's this famous hotel called Kempinski. I hope I'm spelling it right. Kempinski. Let's search it there. Now, when you search Kempinski on Google, that is Google, right? You'll find that on the right side we have some kind of a card, right? So did you know that this card information here, this is now what we call now Google Business Profile, right? And with Google Business Profile, it's actually gives you an opportunity to actually showcase some photos about your business, location details. It also gives you an area where you can put your address, your phone number, okay, and you can actually allow your customers to even write reviews about your business. And this service is not really for just a small it's not for a specific type of maybe businesses. It's for all. So long as you're in business, either you're selling products or service, or you don't even have a location, what I would actually advise you guys is to have a Google Business Profile. Okay, now for example, mine, my business is called Creative Keegan Consulting. If you search on Google, I have mine here, as you can look at it, and it actually shows you everything. It shows you the service areas, some of the photos about the business. There's a place where a number of reviews that I've received so far, and the opening hours, phone number, a place where you can actually add your contact list and everything. So this is something that is very crucial. If you see me doing a video, this is something that I'm actually insisting. And just to give you just to show you how this thing can work for your business, I'll actually use this opportunity to create one for my client, so that you can see and take advantage of the opportunity. Okay, now let's get to it when it comes now to doing the setup. So what do you do when you want to list your business in Google Business Profile? So what you're supposed to do actually is you just come to Google, search Google business, enter. Okay, when you search Google business, you'll see this first website link. From there, this thing comes up, and what you're supposed to do is come here to, just a moment, manage, sign up. Yeah, click on sign up for Google business profile. Click on that, takes you on this page, and then there's this here, create a business profile in Google, and then click on profile. Takes you here now. So from here, the first thing they'll ask you is what is your business name. So I'm actually doing it on behalf of my client. The business name is Saint Warrior. Saint Warrior Tribe. Okay, so you just select there, and then Google takes you to the next section. So here they'll ask you what's your business category. So you fill in the category. From there you click next. Then it asks you, do you want to add location customers can visit, like store or office? For my case, my client doesn't want to use any office, so I'll click no. But if you're a business with the location, please proceed and just put yes. So in my case, I'll just put no for now. Now, the next thing Google will ask you is where do you serve your customers? Now, this is more so like your service area. Okay, so in this case, my client service area is majorly in Nairobi County. Then from there, just click next. Here, this is where now you're asked to add the phone number. So I'll just add a phone number. The next thing they'll ask you is to insert your website. So for guys who have websites, this is now the opportunity to put the link. So I'll put client's website here. Give it a few seconds. Now, the next thing they'll ask you is please enter a mailing address for you to verify. So this is something you can do later. It's not a must. So just click verify later. From there, you'll be asked to add your business hours. So just put Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and just put from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I'll just repeat it all through. 8 a.m. for all the days, and 5 p.m. for all as the closing for all the days. Once that is done, click next, and you'll be asked, would you like to accept messaging from customers who are asking for it? You just say yes and click next. Now there's this part called add. It's saying add business description. This is where you now start introducing something to do with your business, and I was actually waiting for this part so that I can show you guys a trick that I normally use. If you don't have a write-up for the business yet, the best thing to do would be you can actually go to ChatGPT and try to craft something, which I'm going to do it right now. So quickly, let me just show you something. Let me go to ChatGPT and try to, it will help me now to write for me the description. So I'll just write a prompt. Hi ChatGPT. ChatGPT, please write for me a brief business description for a company called Scent Warrior. Now this is the part where you actually get to explain more about the business to ChatGPT, so that ChatGPT can now proceed and now give you the details. Okay, so Scent Warriors deals with personal advices on personal finance, deals Scent Warrior advisors on personal finance in areas such as manage money, such as how to make money first, how to manage money, how to protect money, and how to pay off debts. So once you write it up, just press enter and ChatGPT actually does its thing. As you can see, it's actually writing it. Oh, nice. This is nice. So it has actually given me a very long description, but I've actually decided I'll just take this here, this small one here, and now put it in description here. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. Now, after you're done with the business description, click next. Very nice. So here, this is where you're told to add photos of your business. Yeah, so quickly I'll just add the photos, then get back shortly. Once you've gathered all your photos, just pick them from your computer and add them. Remember guys, if you don't have a location, you can still proceed and just put photos that actually depict your business. Doesn't really matter. Okay, what matters is you show up online, and this is actually a free service you can take advantage of. Now from here, as you can see, Google is actually giving us 300 free advertising credit, but for now let me just skip this part. Your edit will be visible once you are verified. So this is where now, after this, you just wait for Google now to verify your details, and then from there you'll be live, and anytime somebody searches for your business, you'll be having a Google business profile just popping up for people to get to know more about your business. As you can see, this is actually the dashboard that you get, where you can actually manage, edit, and everything anytime. So you can edit your profile, you can read reviews, you can manage, you can add photos, performance, you can actually advertise. There are so many things you can do here. And let's say, for example, customers can't see your business information. Get verified to let them find your business. So for quicker results, if you want to get verified, just click on this button here, get verified, and they might ask you, either sometimes they ask for a postal code or address, and some other time they'll ask you to verify using your phone number. Whichever the case, just go for it, and then you'll be live. Great, thanks guys.